Windy day on the warmer side, and we know that because of those conditions, it's a first alert weather day, Lauren.
Yes, it is. The wind will not quit, and today it's making it even worse out there. So we are looking at a first alert weather day thanks to the high fire danger. This is for the lower foothills, I-25 corridor, and parts of the plains. We have low humidity, gusty conditions, and that wind is making us warm. We're almost 70 degrees today in Denver. So again, conditions like this can promote rapid fire growth or wildfire. So let's take a look at that red flag warning. Again, all the way from the Wyoming border down towards Colorado Springs. It includes the Denver area, the foothills, and again, parts of eastern Colorado. That wind is just roaring in many areas and again, creating that fire danger for us. And it's brutally gusty in some spots. Some parts of the mountains may see gusts up to 80 miles an hour still today. So again, the jet stream is just right clipping Colorado, and that is why we're so windy. And until that jet stream shifts a bit, we are stuck with these conditions. So again, really windy out of DIA. Winds are at 43 miles an hour. Aurora, 25-mile-per-hour gusts. Broomfield's been pretty windy this week. We have 43-mile-per-hour winds. Downtown Denver, it's actually not too bad for us, but that doesn't mean it won't get worse throughout the day. And then we have 64-mile-per-hour winds along Berthoud Pass. So 65 right now in Denver. 70s out on the eastern plains. It's almost 80 in Springfield right now. It is December. 35 in Steamboat right now. 49 in Avon. 41 in Frisco. And taking a look at later today, 67 in Denver. Much of eastern Colorado will be in the mid to upper 70s. 53 in Estes Park. 48 in Steamboat and Vale. 55 over in Grand Junction. Satellite and radar is quiet in terms of moisture, but it is fairly cloudy right now. And as we look at our future cast, we stay that way throughout the rest of the day. And as we check in with our Super 7-day forecast, we're going to see temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s for the rest of the week and into the weekend.
All right. Looks good. Thank you, Lauren. Well,